Ready. Start. This application has been filed by the HDFC Bank Limited petitioner under Section 9 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 for grant of aid interim ex parte order for appointment of receiver to take possession of the Tata 4018 vehicle bearing registration number HR 46E 3956 from the respondents, their agents, or any person found to be in possession of the same. Petitioner has also prayed for their relief, including grant of police aid if required, in order to effect the recovery. This petition has been filed by the petitioner, though Sri Akshdeep Sharma, Assistant Manager cum power of attorney holder of the petitioner bank. Petitioner has stated that the respondent co-borrower had approached the petitioner bank for grant of loan facility and financing of the aforesaid vehicle wide loan agreements number 82560997 and 82561012. The loan facility of rupees 19,50,000 and rupees 66,280 were granted to the respondents, which were to be repaid in 54 equated monthly installments. The petitioner, HDFC Bank Limited, has alleged that the respondents purchased the aforesaid vehicle with the amount of loan but defaulted in making the payment of installments, and as per the agreement, the petitioner is entitled to take possession of the vehicle. The petitioner has also placed on record copy of auto loan agreement which has attribution clause. Learned counsel for the petitioner has contended that there is apprehension that response may dispose of subject vehicle, and if ad interim orders are not granted, the same may defeat the very purpose of filing the present petition, and the application under disposal, and the petitioner will suffer irreparable loss. Keeping in view all the facts and circumstances of the case, instant